Yo, come on, man. I can't have shit.
1, 2, 3.
Scammer gets scammed! Scammer gets scammed! Scammer gets scammed! Oh my gosh, you're so bad. Oh my...
This is what happens when you use 100 jetpacks.
Does anybody want to play Squid Games for company coins?
Mason! You smell like a gym sock! Take that thing off and get in the shower right now!
Mom, I'm in the lobby.
Lobby's closed. Bathroom.
Oh, I love sewers. I want to go, Chitty. I want to go. Oh no, green light. No, I moved.
No more show.
Clean my ballet. Wash my ballet. I need you to clean real good. Spotless like a wash hair. Everybody come and look. I get the whole room shook.
You're fucking done!
No, I'm not.
But keep crying, little Timmy. You know what I'm doing? Like, imagine crying in a virtual game couldn't be me.
Cooking with Gaga.
If you step on a landmine, what should you do to maximize your chances of survival?
Oh, I know how to get out of this situation. First, you need to slowly lift your hand, swap it, and you have to lift it up. Rain, you see that target right there? You just want to hit that target, okay? Go ahead, right in the middle. Man, I just finished another honey pack.
Ooh.
Hey kid, get lost. This is mine.
I want to touch it.
No, Black Sheep, don't, no.
You can't touch it, bro. It's mine. It's a honey
Don't
pack.
do it, no, please.
Don't do it.
No, touch
Yeah,
it.
you don't.
Let's go. Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro. Give that back. Yo, what are you doing? Bro.
Yo, this game is so peak, bro. Wait a sec. Is that my house? What if I just...
The. At. That. The.
It.
Bad.
Bet. I knew, buddy. Slow down.
Poo.
It.
Pit.
Hit. Come on, bro. It's my first day. At.
Bad.
Oh, that's it, buddy.
Jimmy, what you're doing is not nice. Jimmy, this is not nice. Put him down.
But it's a little
You know what, Jimmy? You're gonna get a piece of your own medicine.
And this one is for the champions, oh. And this one is for the champions. And this one is for the and this one is for the champion. Yeah! Yes!
You want to go into the crack?
Yeah. No. Where am I?
Oh, you're in the poop department. You want to leave?
Yes.
Okay, grab on.
Okay, thank you.
What is this Diddy Blood doing in an animal company's blood coda? What is this Diddy Blood doing in an animal company's blood? Charles. What is Blood doing with the dynamite? Is he an artist hat or is he a GoPro or a mimic making Jacob memes? Wait, I think I know what he's making now. Wait. 6, 7.
This teleport grenade, bro. Okay. Yo, guys, what are y'all doing?
Yo, no! Yo, why you do that? Bro, why you always come so rude?
What? Wait, what does he mean?
What?
Yo, what?
Hey, what can I
Can I
get
get
for
a
you?
1,000 pizzas?
1,000 pizzas. Why?
Yeah, it's for the homeless.
Well, if it's for the homeless, I don't see why not. Give me 5 minutes.
Alright. I ain't giving this to the homeless. Forget the homeless.
Today is St. Patrick's Day, and it's March.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do?
Find people that's not wearing green. Hey, you're not wearing green. Dude, are you serious?
I'm wearing green.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Why is your Benjamin's wearing green?
I'm sorry.
Chicken nugget.
Yeah.
Come here, everyone's school machine, come on.
Okay.
Look. Go in there.
Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Wait, what?
See? Chicken nugget, what happened? You're burnt. A noob, bro. Bro, what are you doing? What the?
Everybody go to events. We got all this stuff in there. We got pumpkins. We got flashlight backpacks. We got everything.
Yeah, I got him.
Sour track.
Alright.
Yo, Jack, what's up?
You missed. You suck.
Turn it right.
Mason, what are these?
Oh, these are my mini robots.
Can I play with one?
No.
Ow! Ow!
No!
What is that? What is that?
Huh? Hey! Hey!
Take another step.
What are you doing?
Take another step.
No!
Hey, take another step. See what happens.
Pick a weapon. 1, 2, or 3.
3.
Pick a consumable.
1.
Alright, pick a shield.
3.
And pick your boss.
1.
Alright, here are your items.
I bet! Yes, sir! Boy, this is too easy! I'm gonna win this! Wait.
Make the sound of this.
A-ka-doo! 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 A-ka-doo!
Make the sound of this. Make the sound of this.
Yes, I got it! Let's go! I got it! Did you steal that? That's none of your business! That's not very nice. I told you, I don't care! Why would you do that? Don't steal again, boy. You know what? I'm gonna come home to your house. Wait, what? What's this kid talking about? What? What? How'd you get my house?
A Bruce screams number 1.
Yes.
Number 2. Number 3.
Help.
Okay, ready?
I'm getting headshot.
Number 4. Number 5.
Help! Help! Mr. Bill!
And the last one?
Oh, is it?
Oof. Yes.
¡Niño!
Mamá.
¿Qué estás haciendo, niño?
Nada.
¿Y por qué hay papel higiénico?
No. No.
¿Por qué huele a espetec, ¿Por qué huele a fuet? Te he dicho que no vuelvas los fuets aquí, en los papeles normales. ¿Qué tienes aquí?
Nada.
Niño, que me voy fuera de casa, ¿vale?
Vale.
Dios. Que se me ha olvidado, niño. ¿Qué haces?
Papá.
¿Qué haces?
Yo.
Oh my gosh, I was on that forever. I mean, there's not much to do. Might as well just go on the phone. Oh, hello, Doc. Make the sound of a grappler.
Hutch! Hutch! Happy! Hutch! 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 Hutch!
Make the sound of a ray gun. Make the sound of a pogo stick.
Bwah. 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 Bwah.
Make the sound of a hoverboard.
Bro Johnson, check out this new iPad. It's like massive.
You know what else is massive?
What?
Loud table
Oh man, shut up! Anyways, what are you watching right now?
Skibidi Tiny. Never. What?
No, nothing. Nothing.
Ohio.
That's it! Give me your iPad, you're so damn brain rot! I have to take it away at some point. He's been on it for 24 hours this week! It's Monday! Huh?
Skibidi Johnson deep.
What the fuck?
Skibidi dap yes. Skibidi dap deep beep.
You know, you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes.
You tortured him.
Of course.
I'm posting this on my TikTok. I have no idea who this man is. He is lying. I have no idea who this man is. I'm posting this on every platform ever.
I'm a YouTuber. I'm a very popular YouTuber, and everyone on YouTube's gonna see this, even including the creator of Lemming, and even including the creator of this game. So he will ban you. So this guy, yeah, his name is Fishlegs. His name is Fishlegs. He's at the top. His ID is 112435.
Content creators these days are just getting worse and worse. Here's why. Basically, I knew Pawners for a long time. He went viral a few times. He made a video about me. Then here now, I got Nacho telling me he got a video of Pawners saying the N-word. I'm gonna show a little bit of the video, but then obviously I'm gonna censor it, so.
Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it?
Do it.
Oh, it's Nacho. Yep.
Let me kick him first.
Yep. Kick Nacho.
Yo, what's up? Yum.
What's disappointing is just how people switch up. Like one moment they're a nice and friendly content creator, and the next moment they're saying swears and all that stuff. And I'm not really doing this to call out certain people. I'm just trying to say out here, like, what is happening to content creators. Also, my friend Jay from Drip Department got into a fight with Pawners, and this kid Goblin was pretending to be me. I'm just saying that was not me. But basically, I do not support people who say this type of stuff. If we're good friends, and then you say the N-word, I'm not talking to you anymore. Simple as that. By the way, this is my friend. He's a new content creator. His name is Buff Crab. It's a really butt name. So, anyways, if you want, go follow him. And yeah, he's really cool. Bye-bye.